Jeffrey, para mahangkot ang mga cracks. At ito naman ay Barangay Espinosa. And please vote for Sir Jeffrey. Again, Proxmen sa Kalinga National High School. Palagi pagkuha ang mga props na ato ang Barangay Espinosa. And look for Sir Jeffrey. Thank you.
An advantage sa CN kay mga dancer manggod.
Oh. Okay, one man in it.
Madami na dance sport, dance troupe.
Orang lewat.
Bisan pa man, i-rate on your performances according to our expertise and other judges. But we cannot deny the fact that in all your performances, regardless that you represent different contingents, still, you are one Kalugianon. And all your dances, all your performances, your heart, your soul, your spirit is being celebrated with your performances. Naningihan na tanan, halad naton atong mga patron, halad naton atong labaw mga kagagawong. All thanks to him. Kay kung waray niya pagtubol, waray niya gahong, waray niya kusog, kadasig, nga talent, nga gihatag, hakada o sa haadod, waray niya na ang celebration. So win or lose, in the eyes of God, you are all victors. Congratulations.
Sakit na akong pagtak diri.
Kamulat na ako kanina pa dito ko. Nagkatagadol ka din.
Wala kong lingkuray. Napasuan pa, nauranan pa. Wala makaon.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we stand as one. Kalubian in our unity
Unity
dance.
dance! Ako yung video ha, nakabidyo na ko na po. Wala na ko na bilang sayaw, nakabidyo na. Wala ka pa naklaro. Para klaro ko.
Renz, so ka doon ta? Tira dito ba dito?
Experience
Once again,
Caloocan.
ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to
Uy,
all
kagapoy na
of our
nakutin.
contingents.
Pasok na. Kaganado na karigo.
Niyan, niyan. Kay Oran ini niyan. Kusog.
This time, Staple Bansa performers, as we will be awarding our plaque of appreciation to our panel of judges.
Experience Caloocan. Okay. Ayo pagtando gabi.
Lubat na ba yan ka na?
Once again, on behalf of every Caloocanon,
Ginawa na gapon ng 0-0.
to our board of judges for sharing your expertise and taking time to be here. We know it's difficult, it's a difficult job, but you took the responsibility and thank you all so much. Certificate of appreciation.
The citation reads, certificate of appreciation. This certificate is given to Jonathan Asibi in recognition of the invaluable support and active participation as competing judge of the Lubidi Festival organized by the local government of Caloocan in Leyte, given the 16th day of August 2025, signed by the Augusta's chairman, signed Honorable Marciano A. Bacansa, Junior Municipal Mayor.
And to hand in these certificates, we would like to request our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Marciano A. Gatchansala. Together with the chairman for our Lubi Lubi Festival Dance Festival 2025, Mr. Manny de Resdas.
The same certificate of appreciation is also given to Reynaldo Hobolkovsky Abris. The same certificate is given to Edgar Albafara Alensugay Jr.
Once again, let's give another round of applause to our board of judges.
Announcement pa, announcement.
We also would like to acknowledge the efforts, the contribution of the following individuals, making sure that this event will be successful and possible. We would like to request any representative from the Kabalikat, Caloocan, and San Isidro chapters, as well as the chairman for our Lubi Lubi Festival 2025, Mr. Manny Pegasdas. Please stay at the center to receive your certificate of appreciation. And to hand in these certificates, we would like to again request our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Marciano A. Gatchansala Jr. Thank you again. And of course, our festival queens will receive a pack of beauty products from Pamela Beauty Essences of Mrs. Camila Vergara Gaspan. Thank you. Congratulations.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, ang monumental award sa mga certificates to our judges and of course sa ato ang committees and volunteers. This time, I think, may baon na po sa masunod na award ang atong ihatag. And I think all of you are waiting for this result.
Salamat po. Nagyaw-yaw ka naman. Kabisin amon organizer han mga kuan oy, trophy and certificate. Nga bagan isda hin mata. Uy, banong. Ikaw may do banong. Hay manan isda hin matabi. Pagitan isda, olo. Encantadya.
Dancing, they will receive 5,000 pesos with a certificate. And of course, for the ritual dance showdown, for the second runner-up, they will receive 40,000 pesos with a certificate and a trophy. And for the first runner-up, they will receive 60,000 pesos with a certificate and a trophy. And for the grand champion for the ritual dance showdown, they will receive 100,000 pesos with a certificate and a trophy. And of course, ato sa gipasalamatan ang ato ang former congressman and Justice Attorney
Alright pa, announcement pala.
Veloso. And of course, ato ang board of members. We have Honorable Marie Catherine V. Cabiting and Honorable Alan A. Daghan kaayong salamat in gracing this event here in Halubian, Leyte. And of course, ato sa gipasalamatan ato ang municipal mayor sa munisipyo sa Leyte. We have Honorable Jed Granados sa pagpapahuwag sa ilang control barricade. Thank you so much, Mayor.
Ikuan, light shipping mo siguro?
The results are
Rakwaro.
already in our hands.
I-search na lang niyan.
But before we announce the winners again, we would like to congratulate every one of you. Kamu ang magpapadayon ng inyong tradisyon. Kamu naliwat ang ating ko, magpapasalitin, magpapadayon yung magpapasigan ko. Hanatong tradisyon isip Kalubianon, hanatong festival, Lubi Festival. We hope that you will bring Kalubian to greater heights. We will start the awarding for our elementary category.
Ang queen ang taanay.
Rin na nagtara.
Monda.
So we will be awarding first our street dancing.
Street dancing, elementary.
We will first announce the second runner-up for our street dancing elementary level. Now, our second runner-up will receive 2,000 pesos plus another certificate and HQ only certificates. To hand in these awards, may I request our board members, Honorable Mary Catherine Veloso Cabiting, together with Honorable Alan Ang, to do the honors of handing the awards to our winners. Starting with our second runner-up, street dancing competition, elementary level.
Okay. Our second runner-up for street dance competition, elementary level. We have from Tundo, Papasalamasun.
be 2,000, 3,000, and 5,000. Well, Ferris wheel. Nag-increase ito hiya. Oo. Para na yan ang festival queen. Joke lang.
Ori, balik. Salamat, Lord. Ibalik ang signal. Salamat na akong Star Center. Hindi mo nag-send ng star? Wala. Christian Mark
Our first
Katmak
runner-up
Koti. Thank you so much sa sending mo 35 stars. Na-appreciate ko ito ni mo effort kapag send. Ano mo generosity.
from Pundok sa mga batang kalumpiyang nag-youth, Kalumpiyan South District.
Sino nagdaog? Ay, oo kay. In-perform man nila. In-perform man ko nila good. Okay.
Nilak ano sa nilak.
Hinila?
Nasa bata, nilak.
Wala, tinuok. Natouch siya.
Rico Nortejano Manalaya.
North District!
Ay, nakataga ko nila naman.
Babae ka ba reaksyon ng Becky?
Receive 5,000 pesos and
Ah, ilang kaluwat to, ilang kaluwat. At ito nila yun, ito bata.
Congratulations!
Tears of joy.
Ano ito nga group gani? Oo. Taga din ito ra.
Ako, Anis.
Kaya di Olaps Madi. Elementary, di ba? A South, Adto, Adi North. Oh. Kalabian North District ang nagdaog ang street dance. Fairness.
the winners for our Ritual Showdown competition.
Ay, wala pa gani. Street dance pala to.
Ang competition yung festival pa yung maupay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Competition na go.
we will now be announcing the winners for our Ritual Showdown competition. Starting with our second runner-up. Our second runner-up will receive 40,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy. To hand in these awards, we would like to request once again one of our board members, Honorable Derek Catherine Cavite, together with our winners, Honorable Marshani A. Bashir Sala Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up for our Ritual Dance Showdown is
Second runner-up.
Mundo Papasalamato from Hollands and Netherlands.
once again our second runner-up from Mundo Papasalamato of us, MSH, and their partner barangays.
Wala na, pondok na high school.
Congratulations! Once again, we would like to thank our former Congressman and Justice Attorney Vicente Ching Veloso, together with our board members, Honorable Ana Ang and Honorable Mary Catherine Veloso Cavite, for giving the additional allowance Traditional Dance Showdown. Thank you so much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up for the
Chin.
showdown competition,
Chai.
elementary level.
Monda.
The first runner-up will receive 16,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy. Our first runner-up is Mundo sa mga bata na lumianon na piyuro.
Kiran daog. This North ang nagdaog. North, congratulations.
That means, my dear ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion for this year's Lumi Lumi Festival is from
Rio Norte-Hano, Mananao, Caloocan, District.
Walking our grand champion received a total amount of 100,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy.
Elementary category. Ritual and street dancing champion kay Caloocan North. Caloocan South first runner-up. Third runner-up kay Olap.
But we're not done yet, because we will be announcing this year's Festival Queen Elementary category.
Our second runner-up for this year's Lubi Festival Week 2025. So the second runner-up will receive a cash prize, 5,000 pesos. The second runner-up is the Festival Queen of Caloocan.
Our Festival Queen. You will be
Guy!
5,000 pesos.
Dapat nila pala.
Pero in fairness, tanan, oy, ganado.
What's a request?
Iya, nagdaog.
Request
Iya, daog.
the chairman or
Third runner-up.
chairman of our Lumi
Ano yun din may mga
Ano ni madaog, ini.
That's rather.
Feel ko Olaps ang madaogan queen.
Together with our Municipal Mayor Honorable Mashami Vachansala Jr. to hand in the award, cash prize,
Ay, yung pagluyo.
Festival Kings.
Naglinog. Oh, elementary pala. Festival Queen. Third runner-up kay South.
And earlier, supposedly, wala yung cash prizes ang ating festival queen. Again, wala yung cash prizes ang ating festival queen. But again, with the generosity of our guests, our highly distinguished guests, Attorney Vicente Shin Veloso, and our board members, Honorable Mary Catherine Veloso Cavite, and Honorable Adam Ang, Damo Kawayan Salamat for your generosity, which extends to all Calorianos. Thank you! So congratulations once again to our second runner-up for our Festival Queen Elementary category.
This is, gentlemen, our first runner-up for the Movie Festival Week 2025.
North in the north.
We have the Festival Queen of our first runner-up is from Trigo Norte Halo Manayama from the Regional North District.
Second runner-up for our festival, we will receive 10,000
Yes,
pesos.
first runner-up who received
First runner-up at North. Festival Queen.
And that means, ladies and gentlemen, our festival queen for the elementary level, the festival queen from
Hola.
Bundok Mapasal Laco.
Yeah.
And our grand champion, our festival queen, plus elementary category will receive a crown, a sash, a certificate, and a cash prize amounting to 15,000 pesos.
What? 15,000? Nice show. Amazing. Thanks to Congressman Ani Ma'am Analam. Amazing. 15,000 na queen.
For our elementary category. Now kids, stay Malisa ha. Stay Malisa as we will be announcing the winners for our Louie Louie Festival 2025 secondary category. Now, the question is, will the defending champion defend their title? Or will there be a new victor? Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be awarding the street dance competition secondary category.
Our second runner-up for the street dance competition, secondary level. The second runner-up will receive 2,000 pesos plus a certificate. Again, our second runner-up for the street dance competition secondary category is
Karon, amo na na.
Nortejano from Rafaelito Cabañas Martinez National High School.
We would like to request, once again, to hand out these awards, we would like to request all of us runner-up, street dance competition, we have the school head of Rafaelito Cabañas Martinez National High School, Mr. Alan Valiente. 2 teams remaining. Do you feel any pressure right now? Sing it out. Let's hype up the remaining teams. Let's hear from Kalubian National High School.
Once again, the first runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos plus certificate. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up for the street dance competition secondary level is...
By the way po again, dako naman bulat dyan. Dako naman pasalamat on behalf of every Kalubianon to our highly distinguished guests. Yan ang hapon daw po ng salamat and your generosity. We Kalubianons are very thankful, grateful, not just for your presence, but for the generosity, kindness you extended to every one of us. Thank you so much. Pinaon po, next year na po. Ha? 150 na. Hoy! Ay, na. 150. Okay, moving on.
Our first runner-up for the street dance competition is... Primo
Best in Street Dancing High School Secondary Category kay level kay CN. First runner-up kay Felix Caneja.
Which means, ladies and
Street
gentlemen,
dancing.
our grand champion for the street dance competition is Kalubian National High School.
Champion for our street dancing competition will receive 5,000 pesos and a certificate. Of course, to be received by the principal of Kalubian National High School, Dr. Isidor Vicente V. Villarino.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winners for the Ritual Dance Showdown secondary category.
The winners for our Ritual Dance Showdown will receive for the second runner-up 40,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy. For our first runner-up, they will receive 60,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy. And for the grand champion, 100,000 pesos plus certificate and a trophy. To hand in these awards, we would like to request our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Angela Veloso, together with Honorable Mary Catherine Veloso Cavite, requesting the assistance of our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Angela Velosa. Are you ready?
Our second runner-up for the showdown competition is Primo Norte Hamon.
Requesting again, principal, the student head of RC Emanations, Mr. Alvin Valiente, to receive the awards. Again, our second runner-up will receive 40,000 pesos, certificate, and a trophy. Two teams remaining. Wilbel defending champion. Defend its title, or will have a new victor. Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up for our Ripple Dance Showdown is again, our first runner-up will receive 60,000 pesos for a certificate and a trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our first runner-up from
Primo Norte High School.
requesting again. Requesting the principal of Felix Fernando Puente National High School.
Congratulations,
We
CN.
have Isidro Pilia. This time, to award our grand champion, we would like to request the presence of our esteemed panel of judges. Requesting once again our panel of judges.
And that means, ladies and gentlemen, our showdown competition grand champion is Caloocan National High School Performing Arts.
And our grand champion will receive 100,000 pesos, plus certificate, and a trophy. Once again, we would like to request to hand in these certificates, our board of judges, together with Honorable Mary Catherine B. Veloso Cavite, as well as our municipal vice
Champion
mayor,
High School,
Honorable
Caloocan National High School.
to hand in the awards to our grand champion. This is now Grand Slam now. Grand Slam! Please roll.
Oy, ayaw mo anak nindot ba yapon? Deserve
Okay,
raman
settle
po.
down, everyone, as we will be
Lahi ra jud ang actual.
proclaiming this year's
Nindot pa po ang Felix.
Festival Queen.
Pero mas nindot ang CN. Kung namo sa actual. Pero in fairness, nindot silang tanan.
Okay. Once again, for our festival queens, our second runner-up will receive 5,000 pesos, first runner-up 10,000 pesos, and the grand champion 15,000 pesos. But I believe all our festival queens will not go home empty-handed because of the cash prizes and the tokens they received from Pamela Beauty Essences of Mrs. Pamela Vergara Gaston.
Apil kay na
Starting
maybe
with
ang Japanese.
our second runner-up for Lumi Lumi Festival Queen is Primo Nur Behanan. Rafaelito Cabañas Martinez National High School. To hand in the cash prize, we would like to request our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ana Veloso. Congratulations.
Oo, oy. Iyala ko na wala nang ilis.
Weird man nga waray ko an. Waray challenge.
And our first runner-up for Primo Manabutunay Baneja La Fuente National High School.
Once again, request our Municipal Vice Mayor to hand in the cash prize.
Doon na guys. Doon na wala na.
And that means, ladies and gentlemen, our Luby Luby Festival Queen 2025 is from Valdivia National High School.
Our festival queen will receive 50,000 pesos cash prize, a crown, a sack, and a certificate. To win the crown, we would like to request our Lumi Lumi Festival Queen 2024. This, Patient Stephanie Morales.
Deserve la, oy, deserve la.
And to hand in the
Gan-
award
in place
for
la-
Festival Queen, we would like to request
In place la ang pagkadaog.
our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Marciano Ibascosala Jr., together with our Vice Mayor, Honorable Ana Veloso.
Pwede nyo i-review ang mga videos later. I will be posting it. Para makita niyo ang difference. Dapat happy-happy lang.
Luby Festival Queen 2025.
Ingon pa ni Ma'am Genevieve, ang atong MC nga kanya-kanya man tao performance lahi-lahi man taga school pero kanitanan para kausa kinatanan kalubianon. Ayaw ka mo ng toxic na culture. Hindi rin maupay.
This has been a successful event, and we would like to once again thank everyone who in one way or another contributed to make this event and our entire 106 Town Fiesta celebration.
Normal ito nga madadaksyon nga so ganito. Kay supporters man. Pero let's just make our reaction healthy.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you this year's Grand Slam Champion of Luby Luby Festival, Palawan National High School!
Congratulations! Ato na nagdadadaog ay ang bata ay split pa. Congratulations to all the winners! Thank you sa akong viewers! Love, love, love lang inantanan! Tanan ganado. Tanan maupay performance. Pero may dalagot champion. Congratulations again. God bless everyone and happy Fiesta 2025.
And Honorable Jenna Granados from the municipality of Leyte.
Ow!
Daghang salamat especially kay Mayor Jen sa pagpahuwag ko sa control barricade. Daghang kayong salamat po yun.
Through the leadership and dedication of our municipal mayor, Honorable Marciano A. Chancela, along with the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed of course by Honorable Ana Lau Veloso.
And of course, to our Vice Chairman of the Fiesta, Ex-Governor Reverend Father Romulo John Espina.
We also would like to acknowledge and thank the Likhab group of artists, to Sir Manny, to Sir Christian, and the rest of their teams, to our board of judges, and of course, an Amon Ferry for the consistent live viewing of our activities. Dr. Simon Ian Alongo, thank you so much, our tabulators, our esteemed board of judges.
Ano day, may afam day. May afam. Hello. Bahala lang ka mo din na mag-aragway. Basta hindi na akong target. Hello, ang munda. Ang to afam o. Bahala kang pag-away-away ka mo din na. Ang to afam. Sagot sa kahirapan. Hello, kagawa po mo ito niya. Sana all.
Ladies and gentlemen, may this festivity reminds us of our beautiful and vibrant traditions and history as Kalubianos.
Jasper Amorin in the house.
Padayon nga magpapasikalmo.
Jasper!
Padayon nga mga abante. Mabuhay Kalubian.
Take turns na mo kita ng pictorial para dili kita magsamo. Pwede natin unahon na natin. Mga hagayong ba? Mga hagayong ba? RC?
Manha
Ano na naman?
Human na ang show, manharbat na!
Dito na the stage.
Manharbat na kita!
School. Okay, elementary.
Hoy, ang payong, di na kami pauwi, ang payong
Take turns
ha!
lang kita para na natin.
Iulit umalay!
And by the way, everyone, we will end our 106th Fiesta celebration
Pada ako
with
ang day.
a revolution.
Pag-away ka mo nila. Basta ako, ano na ako ng fam.
Here at the Terminal Grounds, Kalubian Terminal Grounds.
For the information of the props spent mo sa CLHS, later, after sa photo opportunity,
Wala na nag-ura, di na ako mag-swimsuit. Hindi na ito mag-uran. Mahadlok ito ako ng mag-swimsuit.
Barangay Espinosa covered board na po sa ato ang school. Daghan salamat.
Requesting, nakapapicture na ang CN. Waray pa. Oo, pamanay. For the teachers and performers of Kalubian National High School, please stay put. Pero ang mga props men, please proceed na ang covered board ng Barangay Espinosa.
Ito, kuya, matubig. Para mo, makuyap.
Mura ka pa ng aro. Honda, say hi to my vlog. Anay.
Once again, we are one Kalubian, and let us truly experience Kalubian with its genuine beauty, vibrant traditions, and rich cultural heritage. Once again, we are your hosts.
Alo,
I am Mrs. Jackie Ruiz, RCP.
And I am Jonathan Katamisa.
Ako mo ni Baby. Baby ang oro.
Say it!
Fee ha? Talent fee.
Para maghanayhan mga
Talent fee. Talent fee na ako ha.
tables siya.
Talent fee.
Tables, may likurangan.
Oh.
Dini na aton, Terminal Grounds. Again, mauna after hini,
Lolo.
masunod na liwat